Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to execute a function a specific number of times using JavaScript. This technique is useful in looping, animations, and event handling. Let's get started. This method is useful when you need to execute a function a fixed number of times, such as filing an array, generating animations, or logging data. The times function runs if the provided callback n times while passing an iteration index. The function stops early if false is returned. This function allows controlled iteration where let I is equal to 0 starts at 0 and can be stopped early if needed by returning false. The function stops early if false is returned. Otherwise, it iterates n times, executing the provided callback. This approach is widely used in UI frameworks, test automation, and event-driven programming, where a function needs to be executed multiple times dynamically. This function provides a flexible way to repeat operations in JavaScript. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.